This is Mamta Mallecha. Happy evening to everyone. Today, my topic is on how to use our limitless brain. We say we have strong brain, but we have limitless brain with limitless limit. So, how we can work this with three models? So, this is mindset, motivation, and method. So, we are going to see this three topic today. So, first we are going to see about how this is the three models we are going to learn it, that is mindset, motivation, and method. When we process these things, we feel that limitless power within us. So how we can use our brain to have that unlimited power? First, mindset. We have the mindset of what we thinks, what we thought. When brain is like a supercomputer, when you give the instruction to the brain that I am not capable of, I am not good at, I am not good at anything, so whatever you say, the brain take it as a program and it will progress. You cannot, and you said if I am bad at names, it will not remember, because you are giving that that power to your brain. So start upgrading your mindset. So how, when we use this mindset with motivation, that will give you an inspiration. So first, when you have the mindset books, and we also have the motivational books, when we all read these things, we get inspiration. So when mindset plus motivation will give you an inspiration, and mindset plus method will give you the ideas what you can generate. It's the things what you can have your mind, that ideas it creates in your mind. So this is how it creates. Next, motivation plus method is implementation. When we have that mindset to do, and we get motivated by ourselves, and we choose the method how we can and have create that skill in our life. It's how we can create that positive mindset in our life. It's all how we use these three things in our life. So mindset plus method will give you an implementation. We know that knowledge is power, but we have to use that skill. We have to learn more about the skill. We have to use that skills in our life. We have to progress in our life. When we work on our progress, we see that happiness in our life. So start working on your implementation. You know many things, but we should use that things in our life to get implemented. We should use that method, that strategy, that rules to work on ourselves, to implement what we learn in our life. So start implementing what you have learned yourself. Next, we are going to see about these three methods. First, upgrade your mindset. In make our brain limitless, we have to upgrade our mindset. When we upgrade our mindset by learning a new skill, by learning what you are good at, by the knowledge of different books, by learning more things, we can give that brain that activity to activate the superpower. And control our self-talk. When we talk to ourselves, when we talk that when our self-talk is like, when we feel that anxiety or sadness or guilt, when we have that mindset, we can't upgrade. So have that positive mindset and control your self-talk. Whatever you say in a positive way. Make use of less negative words make a big difference in our life. So start talking yourself with good things. When you say that I am not capable, then you will not be capable. When you say I am good at, then it will process in your life. So tell yourself that good things about yourself. That is your inner self, about yourself. So start using positive self talk. So we have to upgrade our mindset with our positive talk, so we can grow ourselves. Next is motivation. Motivation come with three things, that is P plus um, E plus triple S 3. So P is what? Purpose. If you want to know your purpose in your life, you know what's your why. Simon Sinek start with why. Read that book. Know what's your why. Work on your why. When you know your why, you are able to achieve your dream. You can able to know how you can proceed yourself to your dreams and goals. Next is E, energy. We mostly use our energy we drain our energy by thinking unlimited thoughts, or negative thoughts, or we browsing many times, or we keep utilizing these energy by these things. But we have to optimize our energy for doing good things. We have to use our energy for the higher purpose in life. We have that energy. If you want to start your health routine, you have that energy to start. You have that high energy to start your day, to start your week, start and feel excited that you are alive to start your week. Have that high energy, have that high physiology, have that high power. Move your body, make yourself that high energy within you. Feel excited every time when you start your day, that you are going to change yourself and you are going to achieve your dreams and goals. So you can able to minimize your stress, proper sleep. These all will help you to have that high energy. So we have to focus on all this thing to have high energy. Then S3. What is S3? Small simple task. When we have the big goals, when we have the big dreams, until you don't prioritize in your life and you don't make that task into a small simple task, small simple things, like if you want to move towards your dreams, start simple steps every day towards your dreams. Have 90 days goal, have 30 days goal, have that tiny steps towards your towards your dreams. Take small steps, each day. Take small steps towards your goals. When you take small steps, you will change that into a bigger process. If you we can't do more in a day, but we can start by inch, that is scent. So when you start inch by inch, you see that small changes within us, that small steps. When you take that tiny steps, really you will feel that change in your life towards your dreams and goals. Start with that small tiny step. If you have your bigger dreams and goals, break into your tiny small goals, and make that small goals by working on yourself into a small step, and work on yourself each and every day. These all how we motivated ourselves. So start with that motivation. Purpose plus energy plus small simple task. So these all how we motivated. Next is upgrade your methods. You should upgrade yourself day by day. We should upgrade our knowledge. We should know ourselves. We should analyze ourselves. We should reflect ourselves. We should know what we are doing with ourselves. We have to work on ourselves. If you want to learn a new skill, you know how to learn. Learning is know how to learn. So we have to know how to learn a skill, how to we will be good at that skill, how we can get that knowledge in our life, how we can motivate ourselves, how we can come with ourselves, how we can work ourselves, how we can take that inner power to inner potential. We have to see that inner potential. Every human being have that unlimited potential within us. You have to unleash that unlimited potential within you. You should reflect yourself as a human being. We have that power. When we reflect ourselves, when we see ourselves what we are doing, and we change small by small steps every day, you'll see that growth in life. Always have a growth mindset. Work on your growth. Take small steps. It's okay if you fail, if you can't succeed, or if you fall also. Please get up. Please work on yourself. Never give up, never quit. We can do. We have that potential within us. Start with yourself. Work on yourself. Work that unlimited potential with you. Realize that potential you have with yourself. Start with that power within you. So have that mindset within you. We are the unlimitless potential we have within us. It's all inside. When we work on our inner self, we can show that outside beauty within ourselves. So work on your inner self. So an egg, I want to say that when the egg is broken, it's not the outside. When we change ourselves, that inside it will glow. So start working on ourselves. When we start work on ourselves, we will see that glow outside the face. When I see that inner peace, inner calm, that passion, that gives me the glory in my face. So have that glory, have that inner. We have to work on inner self. We have to see that inner power within us. We have to work on the inside. If we work on the inside, we see that beautiful in the outside. So start work on inside. Work on yourself. Work on taking small steps towards your growth journey. So we all have that unlimited potential within us. We have unlimited, so we have to work on ourselves. In this thing we learned, that is the limitless model, which is first we have to work on mindset, motivation and methods. How to upgrade your mindset? By controlling your self-talk. Motivation, purpose plus energy plus small all tiny steps. Upgrade your method by by how to learn the skill. So start these things and apply in your day-to-day life. When we see that inside beauty, we will glow outside. So starting work on inside each and every day. So life is so beautiful. Live with it, this happy smiles. Thank you. Bye.